Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the number clearly on paper and listing small, easy divisors to try first. Check 2 by the last digit, check 5 by last digit, check 3 and 9 by digit sums. Once done, use the rule for 11 with the alternating sum to catch that case quickly. These steps filter out many numbers and save work, so make sure to record which tests passed before moving to bigger divisors. Now combine those initial results with factor thinking. If 2 and 3 divide the number, then 6 divides it. That explains why factoring helps. For larger candidates, perform one clean division or compute the GCD with the candidate to confirm divisibility. Once done, use simple modular arithmetic to get remainders faster instead of full long division and reduce composite checks into prime checks. These methods narrow possibilities and explain why certain divisors must or cannot work. To finish, write out every divisor you found and confirm each by performing the division to see a 0 remainder. Then reconstruct the number from its prime factors to ensure you didn't miss a divisor. If something doesn't add up, don't guess. Recheck the arithmetic slowly, redo the digit sum or alternating sum tests, or use a calculator for one division as a tiebreaker. That troubleshooting tip resolves most errors and gives you confidence in the final list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.